Hello friends, today I will teach you a Lippan art. This art comes from Gujarat. In Gujarat, the people use this art to decorate their homes. This art is also called as a mud and mirror art. So, let's start. First of all, we will see the material which is required for this art. For this beautiful art, we can use the wall putty, or you can use a molded clay also. Fevicol MR. You also use the acrylic colors as per your requirement. You also use some toothpicks. You want MDF board with white acrylic paint. You use some mirrors in a different shapes. We can use this for the decorate this art. With all of these material, we can create a beautiful art, that is Lippan art. First of all, we will draw our design with the tracing paper on the MDF board. And see, our design is ready. Then we can use the wall putty to create the Lippan art. Design. First of all, we have to take some part of within a dough. Then roll it on the plastic sheet paper. And stick it on the design. The extra part will cut with toothpick. Then again take a next dough, then also roll it again. Stick it again on the design. Likewise, we will complete all the design with this molded clay or wall putty. After that, we have to create a texture on it. After dry, this texture will looks very beautiful. Then we have to create these petals also, petal of the flowers, and paste it. We have to take a small part of dough and then shape it like as a petal. This shape is created like a diamond shape, and then paste it on the design. One by one, you create these petals and stick it on it. Keep in mind that the thickness of whole design will remain same. Again, we take a dough and roll it for next design. We have to paste it on circle. Yes, okay friend, so our design is ready. So we will start the coloring of that Lippan art. For the coloring, I have to take some color, that is red and yellow combination. So first of all, I am taking red color in the middle of in the center of this art piece. So I have to take red color and paint it slowly and very carefully. Yes. After that, we have to paint the petals also with the red color. You can choose any bright color for the Lippan art so that after dry the Lippan art it looks really very nice. We have to take a red color with all the petals. Yes. Then take a yellow color and paint it on square part. Yes, now I have completed the square part. For this koiri part I have to take again red color because it looks really very bright.
केला.
See friends, likewise our all koiris are completed with red color paint and it's look really very beautiful. Hello friends, I have created square shape Lippan artwork on MDF board. We can put it on any corner of our home or on teapot to decorate our home. I also created Lippan art on the round shape MDF board. Look at this, how beautiful artwork it is. We can create any design as per our choice on it and color it very beautifully. It's looking very elegant with bright colors and mirrors also. We can create wall hanging to decorate our homes. I hope you like this. Thank you.